Welcome to 3024 Kilkee Cir. This nice 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, split level home with a fenced backyard, 1-car rear entry garage, as well as hardwood flooring and an updated kitchen inside. It's located in the Briarwood subdivision in Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-77, as well as I-20, Northeast area amenities, and Fort Jackson. So we're out front in the front yard. You can see I have a nice size lot, lots of mature trees. The driveway is here on the left side, as you can see, leading up off of the street. We'll just sort of walk you around there, and then you can see the entry to the, or excuse me, not rear entry, but side entry garage on this side. It's a 1-car. And then a walkway leading up here, of course, to the covered front entry. Some nice house numbers there as you approach, and it's a nice sort of ornate door with a couple of side lights with inlaid glass. Well, we step into a nice size foyer, which has, I believe, a luxury vinyl tile product down. Same thing in the kitchen as well. So this again is a split level home, so 3 levels. And on the downstairs level here, as you enter, you have a family room sort of off the entry. It has a what looks like either an electric possibly or a gas log fireplace. You have a ceiling fan in here as well, and some nice sort of wider plank wood paneling. And then a coat closet here beneath the stairs. Kind of hard to see in there, but won't really play around with the light too much because we're going right out here where it's a little brighter. And out here, you just have your 1-car garage. Again, you saw the entry from the other side, from outside. Have a small or medium-sized SUV parked inside right now, just to give you an idea of scale. And you do have this larger back area also. Washer-dryer connections are against the back wall here. You can see sort of the water there. I'll go ahead and take you out and look at the yard space, which you can access from here as well. So out back, you have nice yard space. The yard is fenced in with chain link fencing. There's another way out to the yard from the kitchen as well. But you have this nice sort of heavily landscaped patio area out here, some brick paver. And then beyond that, there is additional yard space. I'll see if I can walk you through, just because it's kind of hidden by some of the palms that are out here. So you have just some open yard space on that side, and then tucked behind here, there are 2 storage sheds that may double as workshops as well. There's some wiring, so they may be powered, but don't count on that. So just going back inside through that garage again, and we'll get you back into the house proper and stay inside. Alright, so again, off of the foyer here as we enter, you can see you have some real hardwood flooring that picks up here on the stair treads and goes up to the 2nd level. So this is the sort of the main living area of the home, where you have the kitchen, living and dining room. There also is a half bathroom here as well. You have a single vanity and mirror, as well as a sort of medicine cabinet hutch over the commode, and a window looking out to the front. Some of the original tile in here as well, and then swing you around. So again, the living room, so sort of the formal living room of the home, more likely a few large windows out to the front, as well as one on the side. Then a nice bright formal dining room here as well. And then you have a swinging door that accesses the kitchen. So the kitchen has LVP flooring, or luxury vinyl plank, sort of the hardwood look flooring. And here, gray painted cabinets and stainless steel appliances. There's a dishwasher. You have a wall oven, and also a nice 5-burner gas range that is vented also, and window above the sink, and then your refrigerator is hiding behind the door. But it has two doors of its own, nice side by side. And then you can see the additional cabinet space and countertop space over here. And then on to level number 3. You have carpeting on the stairs here and in the hall. Full bathroom off the hallway. You have single vanity, some more original tile, some's been resurfaced, and a shower and tub in here. Nice window above as well. And then a medicine cabinet there above the sink. And then 2 secondary bedrooms that face the front of the house. This one has 2 closets, and it actually is 2 separate closets. Sometimes they'll be connected in the middle. But good sized closet space in there. And then carpet in the 2 secondary bedrooms. We have a ceiling fan also. And this one has just 1 closet, but it is a bit deeper, so a bit more floor space. Linen closet at the end of the hall. And then last but not least, our master, which has hardwood flooring as well. Ceiling fan, and see the closet there. And that has 2 doors on it, so it sort of goes all the way back to the wall behind the door. And then on this side, back a little bit as well, so pretty good sized closet. And then the master bathroom with more original tile and single vanity, medicine cabinet, and shower and tub in here. So that completes our tour of this home in Northeast Columbia, 3024 Kilkee Cir. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.